In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide the application of your home screen on your Samsung phone. We must search the configuration of your phone and search here the word hide. Hide, we can see hide notification, content, but we interest is hide app icon badge, hide all or hide app icon badge. Or other option is press hide content of lock screen. Select apps. Okay, and we can see other options. Here, okay, in home screen, hide apps on home and apps screen. Press hide apps on an apps screen and select the apps if you must hide. In my case, I select, for example, we have Zenly. Press in and press Zenly application. And done. Here you can see this is high. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.